Hey guys, how's everybody doing? It's Tony. I haven't talked about GME for like a day or two. I wanted to give a quick update on why I think that GameStop is more than likely going to be running to 160. If anything, I'm calling it right now, right? To be completely honest with you guys. If anything, I'm probably calling the price of anywhere between 150 to 160 within 2 weeks. And I think that I do not think that we're going to drop, even though we closed the bearish day for GameStop. I think that there's definitely a big chance that we're going to go to 150, 160. And there's like, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong, right? You can either believe me or you cannot, but I'm like 95% sure that this is going to happen, right? And I'll be completely honest because I just actually saw this today, which was completely insane. So I'll give you guys a quick overview of what is happening right now. GME works off of patterns. That's been a thing ever since the short squeeze happened last year. It's not going to change. I think as far, there's something going on. There's maybe like an algorithmic pattern happening where certain criteria hits and that initiates something for GameStop to happen, right? And I don't really care too much about the stochastic or my reverse MACD unless the reverse MACD is closing a bullish week, right? That's essentially how I predicted GameStop running from 102 to highs of 130, right? It was just the weekly close on the bullish side, and I basically predicted every single one almost to the T, right? But the main reason why I think that GameStop is still gonna run and it's still gonna run hard, right? I think this is the first level, right? I think this is the first level of the run up. I think there's gonna be a second level to the run up, and I think it's more than likely gonna happen either this week or within the next 2 weeks. I'm like 99% sure it's going to happen, right? And I'll show you guys exactly why. What is happening right here, right? I'll move this out of the way so you guys can see. But we are getting that out. We are on the hour and we are crossing that 50 MA over the 200 MA, right? That's exactly what's happening right now. We're putting a line right on there. Boom, right there. Let's go back to every single instance that we've ever done that on the hour, right? And every single time, look at that, another, right? 50, cross over the 200, boom, done, right? I'm just showing you guys where I've marked it, right? That's it, right? 50, cross over the 200, mark it. Again here, 50, cross over the 200, mark it. I think we have one more right here that I want to show you guys. 50, cross over the 200, mark it, right? What is the next confluence that we have here, right? What is the next confluence that we have on GME, right? Every single time that we've actually had this confluence, this hour cross, we've also been part of a bullish week close, right? First instance, bullish week. Second, bullish week. Third, bullish week. Fourth, bullish week. Fifth, bullish week. Every single time we've crossed the 1 hour 50 MA above, we've crossed back above the 200 MA, we've rallied. Every single time. There's literally no time that it hasn't happened, right? Look what happened here. That 1 hour cross right here, right? You had lows of 191. The next day, you went to highs of 255, a $60 move. Same thing right here, right? You cross right here, lows of 193 within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 5, 6 days, you went to highs of 231, right? Again, right here, you had that 1 hour cross of the 50 MA above the 200, right? Crossing up and over that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 days before you hit a brand new high, right? And I think we're in the same area, right? You had that run up. You're going to have a slight drawdown, and I think it's going to be a continuation push. And then right here, again, right? Lows of what? 115? And then you ran to highs of 348 in 1, 2, 3, 4 days. And the even crazier pattern is this one. 5 days, it hit all time. It hit highs, right? Or it did that peak. This one, 2 weeks. This one, 5 days. This one, 2 weeks. And I have to assume that the next one is going to be 5 days. So from here, 1, 2, 4, 5, February 22nd, February 23rd, I think we're going to keep running up. I think we're probably going to hit 150, 160 sometime by February 23rd, 24th, 22nd, somewhere around this range. I feel like it's going to be the second push up to the upside on GameStop. And right now, we are at lows of, let me see. For today, we are at lows of 116. Every single push to the upside has been at least $40+, right? So minimum from here, I think we're going to something like 157, 160. Keep in mind that next major resistance is 150, and the next one on the daily is like 160-ish. And then after that, it's like 170, 175, then 188, and then possibly a little bit higher here around the 212 level, then 227. But again, I think this has like a 95% chance of hitting. Every single time that the 50 EMA crosses above the 200 after we close the bullish week, we end up pushing up on that second level for GameStop. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.